Chips near $1 trillion as AI ignites demand. Global semiconductor revenue climbed to a historic peak in 2025, underscoring how artificial intelligence is reshaping the electronics economy. Data released by Semiconductor Industry Association based on figures from World Semiconductor Data Statistics show worldwide sales rising 25.6% year over year to $791.7 billion. Welcome to War India News Hour. The momentum in the global semiconductor revenue is expected to accelerate, with the industry now setting its sights on the symbolic $1 trillion milestone in 2026 as hyperscalers and enterprises pour billions into AI ready data centers. Logic chips emerged as the largest contributor, generating $301.9 billion in revenue after surging nearly 40%. Memory followed at $223.1 billion, up almost 35%, reflecting strong demand for high performance systems that can train and run large AI models. Experts describe semiconductors as the essential infrastructure layer powering AI, the Internet of Things, next generation wireless and autonomous technologies. The final quarter of 2025 reinforced the upcycle. Sales leaped 37.1% from a year earlier to 236.6 billion dollars, suggesting tightening supply and firmer pricing as buyers compete for advanced GPUs, high bandwidth memory, and networking silicon. Regionally, Asia Pacific led with 45% growth, fueled by Taiwan and South Korea. America advanced 30.5%, China rose 17.3%, Europe edged up 6.3%, while Japan recorded a modest decline. Let's look into today's headline. NASA allows astronauts to carry smartphones on future missions. NASA will now allow astronauts to carry modern smartphones, including iPhones, on upcoming missions to orbit and the moon. Administrator Jared Ishamek confirmed the change for Crew 12 and Artemis 2 flights. The move marks a shift in NASA's rule on personal technology and will let astronauts easily capture photos and videos for family and the public while using familiar everybody tool during space missions. AI fears trigger extended sell-off in US software stocks. US software and data service stocks fell for a seven strategic session as investor fears grew over AI disrupting the sector. The S&P 500 software index dropped nearly 5%, wiping out about $1 trillion in value since late January. Major names like Microsoft, Salesforce, and ServiceNow declined sharply. Analysts say uncertainty around AI's impact is driving investors away from technology stocks. Sarvan unveils Bulbul V3 AI voice model for Indian languages. Indian AI startup Sarvan has launched Bulbul V3, an upgraded text to speech model designed for natural Indian speech. The model offers over 35 voices across 11 Indian languages with plans to support all 22 scheduled languages. Built on a large language model, Bulbul V3 enables real time voice generation and custom voice cloning. The launch is part of Sarvan's rollout ahead of India's AI Impact Summit 2026. Chinese crypto laundering networks move billions through digital assets. Chinese language money laundering networks moved on estimated $16 billion through cryptocurrency in 2025, according to a Chainalysis report. These groups accounted for nearly one fifth of global illicit crypto activity. Operating mainly through Telegram channels, the network offer laundering services to criminals and sanctioned actors. Analysts say cryptocurrencies and stablecoins are favored for their liquidity and relative anonymity, complicating global enforcement efforts. ED raids multiple locations in probe into US focused crypto fraud. The enforcement director has conducted searches at nine locations across Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi in connection with an international money laundering probe. The case involved an alleged call center scam that cheated US citizens of millions of dollars. Officials say the accused posted as tech support and US authorities forcing victims to transfer money through cryptocurrency. The ED sees cash, digital devices, and documents. More investigations are going on. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and follow War India magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.